For years, I carried a secret I never told anyone. Not because I didn't want to, but because I thought I moved on, I healed. Until one night, one picture brought back the secret. It was around 9 p.m. Rain was falling softly outside my window, tapping like someone trying to send me a message. I sat on my bed, scrolling through old photos, smiling faces, moments of happiness, moments of pretending. Then I saw his picture. A small smile touched my face, but it didn't stay long. Because behind that smile, behind that memory, behind him, was the secret I never told anyone. But it changed the way I loved, trusted, and saw the world. My hands shook a little. I locked my phone. I took a deep breath. Tonight, I felt something inside me whisper, "It's time." When I was 15, I had a friend. His name was Samir. He was the kind of boy who could make the whole world laugh, even if his own world was falling apart. He understood things without words. He noticed when I was sad, before I even said anything. One day, after school, we sat under a big old tree. Sunlight was falling through the leaves, making golden shadows. He looked at me and said, "Hannah, promise me something." "What?" I asked. "If one day you feel alone, even when people are around you, don't hide it. Tell someone. Tell me, at least." I smiled and promised. But life had other plans. 3 months later, his family moved away. And he never came back. No message, no call. The day he left, something inside me closed. I didn't tell anyone how much it hurt. I didn't tell anyone how much I missed him. I didn't tell anyone that losing him felt like losing a part of myself. So I hid it. I laughed. I smiled. I acted strong. But deep inside, I was carrying emptiness. That emptiness became my secret. A secret that made me pull away from people. A secret that made me scared to trust. A secret that slowly built a wall around my heart. And I never told anyone. Not even myself. That night, staring at the rain, I realized something. All these years, I wasn't hiding Samir. I was hiding my pain. The pain I was too young to understand. And that pain was quietly controlling everything. I couldn't trust people. I loved too carefully. I always stepped back when someone got close. I protected my heart even from people who wanted to stay. And I told no one. Not my friends, not my family, not even myself. My phone buzzed suddenly. A message from my closest friend, Nina. "Are you awake? I don't know why, but it feels like you're not okay." My heart jumped. It was like she saw through the walls I spent years building. I typed the words slowly. "Can I tell you something? Something I never told anyone?" She replied instantly. "I'm here. Tell me." For the first time in years, I talked about Samir. About the day he left, about the silence that followed me like a shadow. At first it hurt. My voice shook. The tears fell. But the more I spoke, the lighter I felt. When I finished, Nina said softly, "Hannah, you were a child when you learned to hide your pain. But you're not that child anymore. You don't have to carry this alone." Her words felt like warmth after a long winter, like sunlight after days of rain. Something inside me opened, something that had been locked for too long. The next morning, I woke up feeling different. Not completely healed, not magically fixed, but freer, lighter, more real. I realized something powerful. Sometimes the secret that hurts us the most is the pain we never allowed ourselves to feel. And letting it out, even once, can change everything. It's like you start breathing again. So now, I'm no longer afraid of speaking. I'm no longer afraid of trusting. I'm no longer afraid of feeling. Because the secret I never told anyone became the truth that finally set me free.